In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Apple ID email address. It can be necessary if your current email address becomes inactive or compromised. It also ensures that you receive important notifications and updates regarding your Apple account. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, tap right here on your Apple ID name. You will then select on this first option of name, phone number, and email. On this page, this is my linked email address. So if you want to remove it and add another email, just tap on this edit button. To remove it, tap on the minus icon and click on the delete button. To add another email address, select on the option of add email or phone number. Then tap on add an email address. Enter your active email address and a verification code will be sent to it for confirmation. Enter the code sent to your new email address and your new email will get added to your Apple ID successfully. That's how easy it is to link a new email to your Apple ID account. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.